6 types of meat diabetics must know. Did you know that certain meats can actually help you manage diabetes? But here's the thing. Not all meats are friendly to your blood sugar. Some can quietly sabotage your progress, not just affecting your glucose levels, but also harming your heart health. So how do you decide which ones to include in your meal plan if you're living with diabetes? You're already aware of how important it is to make good choices at every meal, but when it comes to meat, the options aren't always straightforward. Which cuts are safest? Which ones should you avoid? These options aren't just tasty, they're also packed with nutrients that can help stabilize your blood sugar and support your overall health. Hang around, because this information might change the way you eat forever. Let's begin with number 1. Skinless chicken breast. When you're managing diabetes, choosing the right cuts of meat can have a huge impact on how well you maintain stable blood sugar levels. And skinless chicken breast is at the top of the list. It's lean, which means it's low in unhealthy fats, and it offers essential nutrients that support a balanced diet. Best of all, it has minimal effect on blood sugar, making it a go-to for anyone dealing with diabetes. What makes skinless chicken breast so helpful? It's a high-quality protein source that slows down how quickly you digest carbohydrates, preventing sharp increases in blood sugar after you eat. That slower digestion also helps you feel full longer, which can reduce your cravings for sugary or high-carb snacks. And let's not forget, chicken breast is low in saturated fat. Since people with diabetes face a higher risk of heart disease, opting for lean meats helps protect your cardiovascular health. Of course, it's all about how you cook it. Grilling, baking, or roasting skinless chicken breast is your best bet to keep the fat content low and retain those valuable nutrients. Frying can ramp up the calorie count and undermine your blood sugar goals. Serve it with non-starchy vegetables, think broccoli, spinach, bell peppers, or cauliflower, to add fiber and vitamins that further stabilize your glucose and support digestion. Fiber is especially important for diabetics because it slows down sugar absorption and promotes a healthier gut. With skinless chicken breast, you get an affordable, easy, and flavorful way to eat smarter while managing diabetes. Number 2. Salmon. If you're serious about diabetes management, salmon is one of the best choices you can add to your menu. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon isn't just delicious. It also offers a bunch of perks for blood sugar control. Omega-3s are well known for reducing inflammation in the body, which is key for preventing diabetes complications like heart disease. Since cardiovascular issues often go hand in hand with diabetes, adding foods like salmon can make a real difference in keeping your heart in good shape. How does salmon help exactly? For starters, omega-3 fatty acids boost insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to regulate blood sugar. The fish also provides high-quality protein, which helps curb hunger and keep you full between meals, a big plus if you're trying to avoid grazing on high-carb snacks. Another advantage is that salmon's healthy fats are far preferable to the saturated fats found in some other meats, thus lowering your risk of heart disease and other long-term complications. As for cooking salmon, you can grill, bake, or pan-sear it with a bit of olive oil and herbs. Pair it with vegetables like leafy greens or steamed broccoli to add more fiber, which further stabilizes blood sugar levels. These simple methods retain flavor without piling on unwanted calories. Incorporating salmon into your week, even just a couple of times, can genuinely elevate your diabetes management, thanks to its inflammation-lowering omega-3s and steadying protein content. Number 3. Filet mignon. Red meat can be tricky for diabetics, but a lean cut like filet mignon is an excellent choice if you want to enjoy beef without compromising blood sugar control. Filet mignon is low in unhealthy fats, which makes it a heart-friendly protein option that won't wreak havoc on your glucose levels. It's also loaded with high-quality protein, which keeps you energized and helps prevent dramatic post-meal glucose spikes. What sets filet mignon apart for diabetics? Its lower saturated fat content is a big plus, since saturated fats can negatively affect heart health. People with diabetes face an extra risk for heart disease, so opting for leaner cuts of beef, such as filet mignon, helps you sidestep some of that danger. And just like other lean proteins, this cut slows down the absorption of carbs, giving you a more gradual glucose release. As always, cooking method is critical. Instead of frying or dousing your steak in oil, consider grilling, baking, or broiling. These methods let you capture the natural flavor without piling on calories or unhealthy fats. To round things out, serve filet mignon with non-starchy vegetables such as spinach, broccoli, or cauliflower. These veggies are fiber-rich and won't spike your blood sugar, making them an ideal complement to a lean cut of beef. Putting all these factors together, lower saturated fat, slow carb absorption, fiber-rich sides, makes filet mignon a truly diabetic-friendly way to enjoy red meat. If you've been enjoying these tips, don't forget to subscribe for even more content on how to manage diabetes with everyday foods. Number 4. Poultry, including duck. Chicken and turkey usually get most of the attention for their lean protein and low-fat content, which is a clear plus for people with diabetes. But if you want something a little richer, duck can be a nice alternative. Although duck contains more fat than chicken or turkey, much of that fat can be heart-healthy if eaten in moderation. So why is poultry good for diabetics in general? It's high in protein, helping to regulate the breakdown of carbohydrates so your blood sugar remains steady. Protein also makes you feel full for longer, which wards off unnecessary snacking. Chicken and turkey are obviously lower in fat, so they're better for day-to-day meals. Duck, while fattier, still offers beneficial monounsaturated fats that can support heart health when eaten carefully. If you go for duck, roasting is an excellent way to cook it. Roasting helps melt off some of the fat while keeping the meat moist and flavorful. Just watch your portion sizes and pair duck with low-carb side dishes to maintain that all-important balance. Chicken and turkey, on the other hand, can be tossed into soups, salads, stir-fries, or casseroles to create diabetes-friendly dishes loaded with vegetables. Roasting, grilling, or baking are recommended cooking methods for poultry in general, as they limit unhealthy fats. Pair your poultry with options like cauliflower rice, steamed broccoli, or leafy greens for a meal that stabilizes glucose and doesn't overload on carbs. Number 5. Organ meats. This category might surprise some people, but organ meats like liver, kidney, and heart can be extremely nutrient-dense and beneficial for diabetics looking for variety. These cuts are loaded with fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, essential for immune function, eye health, and more. They're also brimming with vitamin B12, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and boosts energy. So why should diabetics consider organ meats? Their high nutrient content can help fill in any dietary gaps. Vitamin A aids immune health and healthy skin. Vitamin D supports insulin sensitivity. Vitamin E promotes better circulation, and vitamin K is key for blood clotting. An important consideration for anyone, but especially if you're dealing with the circulatory challenges that come with diabetes. Add to that the fact that these meats are rich in vitamin B12, crucial for metabolizing carbs and fats. This can keep your glucose steadier and provide a more sustained energy boost. The idea might be intimidating if you've never cooked organ meats before, but there are ways to ease into it. One strategy is to mix them into ground beef at about a 70-30 ratio. This works great for making burgers, meatballs, or tacos where the flavor of the organ meats blends with other ingredients. If you like bolder flavors, try adding organ meats to curries or chilies, where spices can help balance the taste. Pair them with fiber-rich vegetables or whole grains to create a nutrient-packed, blood sugar-friendly meal. Start with small portions and gradually increase as you get used to the flavor. By incorporating organ meats into your diet, you can tap into a high level of nutrients that benefit both blood sugar control and overall well-being. Just remember that organ meats should be enjoyed as part of a balanced meal plan, and in moderation, to make the most of their impressive benefits. Also, make sure to check out the link in the description to watch a short free presentation about a natural way that can help lower your blood sugar. The bottom line is that choosing the right meats can help you manage diabetes effectively while still enjoying delicious meals. From lean, low-fat options like skinless chicken breast to nutrient-packed organ meats, these 6 or 7 types of meat can play a significant role in stabilizing your blood sugar. It's all about moderation, focusing on healthier cooking methods, and pairing your proteins with plenty of low-carb veggies to create a balanced dish. So what do you think? Are you ready to incorporate some of these diabetic-friendly meats into your meal plan? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more diabetes management tips, and ring that notification bell so you'll never miss an update. Also, check out the next video in the description for even more tips on healthy food choices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.